fold your paper in half. Hamburger style. Now write my monster at the top of the left side and your turn on top of the right side. Okay, now on the left side of your paper, you're going to draw your monster in secret. And you're not going to tell me what it looks like. You have 10 minutes. Go. Okay, so now we both have our monsters drawn, but we kept it a secret the whole time from each other. And we're ready for the next step. So now you are going to, remember, keeping your monster secret from me. You're going to tell me what your monster looks like using as many shapes, colors, and descriptions as possible.
Okay, so my monster looks like a tree stump, so it's a stump shape.
Okay.
And it is brown.
Okay, a brown tree stump.
With legs.
Okay. How many legs?
2 legs.
Okay, wait a sec. Okay, wait a sec. Is the tree stump like round at the top? Like a cylinder?
No, it's just flat.
Yeah, so it's not jagged. It's like, okay.
Yeah.
And then it has 2 legs?
Mm-hmm.
What are the legs like?
Very spindly.
Very spindly?
Yeah.
Okay, so like just lines?
Yes, it's the bottom, and then it is 2 little spindly legs.
Are there feet on the legs?
Yeah, there are 2 feet, 2 little toes.
2 little toes?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then, yeah, it curves up.
So are there any roots?
No.
Okay, so it's just a brown cylinder with legs. But it's barky.
Yeah, so it has
So far.
a big eye in
Where?
like the middle towards the top.
Okay. What shape
A
is
circle.
a circle? What color?
Black.
Black. Okay. So black circle eye.
With a little dot in the center.
A little dot in the center?
A medium-sized dot in the center.
Okay.
And then it has an open smiley face
Where?
in the middle towards the bottom.
Brown, black also?
Yeah.
An open smiley face.
He has orange blush marks.
Aww. What kind of orange?
Lighter orange.
The lighter orange? Okay. Where on his cheeks?
Okay, and then he has like a bark texture, so kind of like darker brown stripes going up and down.
All the way.
Yeah.
Okay. He looks like a marshmallow. He looks like a burnt marshmallow.
The rest of him is shaded a slightly lighter or a lighter shade of brown.
Okay.
So on top of his head,
Okay.
there is a circle just sitting towards the edge.
A circle on top of his head.
Yeah.
Towards the edge of his head.
Yeah, it is.
So this is what we have so far. Okay.
So it is the brown
Brown circle.
outline. Yeah. And then it has a little door
Where?
on the little circle.
In it or on top of it?
In it.
In it. There's a door?
Yeah.
It's brown? A brown door in this circle? Is there a doorknob?
No.
So it's just a rectangle.
Yeah, but it's also filled in brown.
Oh my goodness. Is there a door on his head? Is he thinking about a door?
And then it's filled in peach, so with the peach color.
The rest of it, you mean?
Yeah, the
circle?
rest of the circle.
Okay. How do you know this is a door, not just a rectangle? Anyway, continue.
No, it's your interpretive drawing. So it has a red little thatched roof.
What? Who does?
The house, the
What?
circle. The circle.
Oh, it's a house.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. It has a red roof. Like straw almost?
Uh-huh.
Like straw, like so red lines on top. Okay.
And then on the other side, there is a blue circle.
Okay. Same on the edge?
Mm-hmm. That's completely filled in blue.
Okay.
And then on top of it, there is a peach circle that's completely filled in.
Okay.
And that has one little red horn on it.
Oh. Like coming from its head?
Yeah.
What kind of horn? Like a unicorn horn?
No, it's like curved back.
One curved back horn.
Mm-hmm.
It's not little. Oops, I made mine big. Wait, is he a gnome? Just two little black eyes?
Yep.
The little gnome.
Yeah. And then it has little grass on top of that too.
Oh, the stump has little grass.
Yeah.
Not the gnome. Okay. Did you use light green or both?
No, light green.
Cool.
That's it.
I love him. Okay, so now we don't reveal yet. I don't want to see what his original monster, his first monster drawing was. He's not going to see my original monster. So he's going to keep his original monster hidden. He's going to flip it to your turn. So he has the blank side of the paper up now. I'm going to make sure he can't see my original monster, and I'm going to turn it, and now it's my turn to tell him about my monster. So now is the grand reveal where we show each other. This is my original monster. And then Isaac did a great job of listening to my instructions and copying it. It kind of looks like that's like the little brother of this one. And now we're gonna see Isaac's original drawing. Oh, so this is Isaac's original drawing. And this is what he told me to draw. It's adorable, I love it. This is the best. You described things really well. I think yours looks even cuter than mine. Here's another example of Isaac's original monster. And then he told me the instructions because it's a secret monster. And I did this one. This one's definitely like a Halloween monster. And then flip over. And this was my original monster. And I told Isaac to draw this one. Awesome.